This video is sponsored by GLC PCB, one of the world's leading manufacturers of printed circuit boards. Cheap and high quality. You can choose a large number of colors from the printed circuit board. You can also choose the number of layers. GLC PCB Factory saves you time and gets your order ready in just a few days. Free assembly for your PCB orders. First we draw the circuit diagram on the design site. I personally recommend EasyAda.com. How to order, SMT service, from JLC PCB, an easier way to build. Upload your Gerber, BOM and CPL files, to get instant quote on PCB, components and assembly. Assembly prices, start at $8 setup fee, and $0.0017 assembly fee per joint. A DFM analysis will be generated, after you order the boards, allowing you to spot potential mistakes, before it goes into production. You can also track order status in real time. By streamlining the entire process from ordering, parts sourcing and PCBA prototyping, you can get your products in hands as fast as 1 week, allowing you to iterate, improve and deliver on time or even faster.
C'est élevé sur le plan Est, ça va faire perdre 5 à 10 degrés en l'espace de 24 heures. Le temps va également changer avec l'installation.
Wie ist die der große auf die Prototyp?
Das Ministerium müssten dafür zügig Gespräche mit den Ampelfraktionen und Ländern aufnehmen. Der Zeitplan.
Das Bundesland gelten die 9-Euro-Tickets an.